Hello guys, welcome to In 5 Minutes. After understanding what is operating system, let's try to understand what are the basic functions of operating system. Well, there are three basic functions what operating system is doing. The first thing, resource management or resource allocation. Second, accounting. And the third thing, protection and security. Understanding one at each time, let's start with the basics. The first one, resource allocation. The term itself explains a lot of stuff. First, let's understand what you mean by resource. Resource, anything which has data or info which we want to take or we want to give in either sides can be termed as a resource. The most commonly talked about resource with reference to operating system is CPU, which is always been needing so that a program can be converted to a process. Other than that, we have hard disk drive, which is another most commonly used resource for storing, accessing and retrieving the data. Sometimes even user can act as a resource because user may have some information to give or to take. Allocation, on the other hand, simply means to give. Now, why is resource allocation is one of the function? Because there are n who wants and there are n to be given. So we need to map request after proper evaluation to the needed resource so that the need can be fulfilled. The basic purpose of resource allocation is simply to take n requests, put them in order on basis of certain algorithm which we'll be learning in next lecture, and allow access. In a simplest possible example, consider there are three applications A1, A2, A3 maybe appearing at a different time. A1 appear at 10th second, A2 appear on 5th second, A3 appeared on 15th second. They appear to the CPU. CPU would serve this request on the basis of first come first serve. So the first one would come obviously A2 followed by A1 followed by A3. Together, resource allocation would simply talk about whom should be given and when it should be given. Second most commonly done functionality for the operating system would be accounting. Lot of us would think accounting and operating system, come on, that requires Tally and other software, but it is nothing like that. What it has a one simple thing. Before making any decision, you should have a concrete knowledge about who was given access, for how much time, and of which hardware, or rather which resource. Accounting or keeping all this information helps me to make decision. Now question is, what kind of decision for next access? Because on basis of who, what and for how much time, which resources for access will allow me to clearly provide access for the next. This would trigger fairness. What do you mean by fairness? Well, simple. We are talking over here about each one should be given access whenever they asked. But obviously there has to be a controlling architecture which would control when, how and why. If we follow proper accounting, our decision making ability will always provide a fairness which will provide a better result with operating system.